How to log into MyHR CVS Employee Portal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see a step-by-step guide on how you can log into MyHR CVS Employee Portal. First thing first, open up your web browser and search for MyHR CVS Login. Click on the first link that you see by a light. Just tap on it and you should be able to find the login portal for your CVS employee. It's going to ask you for your cookie preference. You can reject it or accept it according to your preference. Now here on the login page, you have two options. The first field is to enter your user ID, and the second field is for password. If you want to show your password, tap on the checkbox down below, and it will automatically view your password to confirm it. And in case you've forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on the link down below, right below the login button, to recover your ID or password. For that, you're going to have to provide the last 4 digits of your social security number, date of birth, and if you wish to continue, check this box and continue on with it. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon for more content like this. I'll catch you in the next video.